so our next step, if you're not doing the skirt or the back pockets, is the side pockets. Now, if you're doing the skirt or the back pockets, you just need to have a look at the pictures that I put on Link that describe what you have to do with those. So far, I think it's only the skirt that people are doing. These are the internal pockets. So there's 2 pieces to each pocket, so you'll have 4 pieces total. You need to make sure that you have these notches cut. Now, I didn't cut them, so I've had to go back and cut them in. You just lay the pattern piece on and just cut a little bit in. Don't cut too far, just a little bit, so that you don't go past the 1.5 centimetre seam allowance. You need to have those 2 pieces and put them together with right sides facing. Then here is the side of your shorts. So I've got the shorts the right way in. If you can see, that's the whole short there. So take this out. So I've got the whole short there lying flat with the right side facing me. This would be the front or the back, and this would be the front. This is probably the back, okay? And we're going to place them right here. Can you see these 2 notches? 1, 2. There's 2 notches there. There's the other one. Okay, 1, 2. And we're going to line up with the right side down the pocket on one side here, and we're only going to pin it to the 1 thickness. We're not going to pin it to this piece, just to this front piece. And then we're going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to pin just to the 1 thickness. Okay, so we're not pinning to that back piece, we're just pinning it on this side. Just 3 pins will do in there. So we've just got that, and eventually that's going to be out like that, and so that will actually be the inside of the pocket. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to pin the other pocket piece on here now, matching up my notches. You see I've matched the notches up there. There's a notch there and a notch there, you see? And I'm only going to pin to one side. Okay, so I'm just going to pin to that one side. Now make sure I put the pins the way I'm going to sew, which is this way. 1, 2, 3. So I've got my 2 pieces of pocket. One's on this side. Just pin to the 1 piece, and once again, just pin. Make sure you've got your right sides together. You need to do exactly the same thing on the other side of your shorts with the other 2 pieces of pocket. Right, so I'm going to start just before the start of that pocket. So you see there's the pocket attached, and we're going to put the needle in just before the pocket. Don't forget to reverse. So we're going to go forward, then back and whoop. Oh damn, wrong one. Okay. We have that stitched on. So we've stitched both the sides. So that one's stitched on there. Okay, and we've actually turned them inside out, and we're going to pop these 2 pieces out to the side like this. And so we're going to join them up. We're going to join up these side seams here with pins, and we're going to pin these together as well. These are kind of like Velcro. There's this one length. So you've got to match that notch at the bottom there. Remember, if you haven't cut your notches, you need to cut your notches. They're really important. All right. So I've done a snip in the pocket there. So I've done a little snip. So that's your pocket. The bottom of the pocket where you turn the corner, and I'll just do a snip just so it's not all fully attached. And we're going to trim this edge here. So we're going to trim all the way up and around the edge of the pocket. Okay, we come in here and go around the edge of the pocket there and trim. And then we're going to machine neaten that as well, because some of you have fabric that frays. Okay, so I have trimmed, machine neatened around the edge. Don't worry about doing this part here. It's going to be inside the pocket, so it's not going to be an issue. But there's our edge. Now